Today I have to change my Airbnb. I booked two in case of canceling one. I didn't know if I want to go to Dallas or Houston and sleep there. That's why I booked it that way. I kind of like the Airbnb here now, but this is more expensive than the other one. So yeah, it's a little bit shit that I have to change now. I got all my stuff in the car, but yeah, I mean, I made myself into this situation. No, I put myself into this situation. I'm waiting currently here. There around the corner is Franklin BBQ. There are already people waiting for it, and we have 9:40 a.m. So this restaurant, this barbecue pit place, is opening in 1 hour and 20 minutes. There were like 8 to 10 people already waiting in fucking chairs. I want to go there today, so I mean, I wait till 10 and then I go there as well. But I mean, I take these 20 minutes for me and sit in the car. I don't know. I have the problem that I bite in the sleep, and this is causing like the face muscles to like cramp, right? And that's where my headache comes from. It's like a migraine. It's pain. It's actually pain. And I also have something in the throat. I don't know what, but I have pain in the throat. It's like the upper area of the throat. Today's not a nice day. Yesterday was already shit, but today I really think about taking a painkiller. I try to not do this, but yesterday evening before I went to sleep, I put my car keys in my sweatpants, and I don't know why. I didn't do this the last 7 days, but I did it, and that's not a good sign. I'm mentally not stable. Yeah, will ich noch mehr sagen? I'm watching a YouTube video now. After that I go to a museum. Ja, but das zeige ich dann, das brauche ich ja nicht sagen. I fixed this by stretching the lower jaw. Or is this just the jaw, like pulling it down, and then like any other muscle you have to stretch to stretch, right? I haven't figured out where I can park. That's why I stand on the street here. But I mean, this is a parking lot. I don't know how, if you have to pay for that. Parking in America is a little bit of a gamble. I mean, I have a spot now, and good morning, ma'am. A half a pound of brisket.
For here?
Yes, for you. Franklin BBQ, absolutely a must when you go to barbecue places here in Texas or here in Austin. My only concern is the turkey wasn't that great. Actually, it wasn't that great. So the brisket was good, the sausage was good. Brisket, a bit better than Terry Black's. The brisket was better than Terry Black's, but the turkey and the jalapeno cheddar sausage was not as good as Terry Black's. So when you prefer the brisket or brisket only, go to Franklin. And when you want to try everything, go to Terry Black's. Overall, Terry Black's is better. And the turkey at Franklin's was a bit dry, and I don't know, I didn't have the flavor. The overall, Terry Black's is the best so far, but there are some more to come. And yeah. Oh yeah, and when you come to Franklin's on a Wednesday or Thursday, you basically don't have to wait in line. There were like 20-30 people, but that's nothing. And just be there at 11:30. So they open at they open the gates at 11 a.m. So when you are there at 11:30, the first rush of people went through, and you don't wait that much in line. So I was here at 9:30 and I waited half an hour in the car. So I stood there from 10 to 11. That was definitely worth it, but you don't need to. Just come a bit later that the first rush is gone and you can enjoy your barbecue as well. Dude, I'm feeling the sickness today the most. And there's something waiting for me. Yeah. No, yeah. Okay, I go now to Cavender's. I gotta say, a normal truck looks better. The rolling trash can. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm at the new Airbnb. You see it. It's a normal house this time, from some woman that is living a little bit more outside of Austin. Yeah, I don't know. I feel a little bit bad that I'm in this room and do nothing, but I don't know. I'm just durch den Wind, as we Germans say. I have a mind fog going on, and I don't know. When I it's so dämlich. When I stop this video, I will stretch my face again. It's the throat pain is still there. My nose is full, like closed, not completely, but enough that it's bothering me. And I'm tired. For the last week, I felt like an exhaustion. And do you know that when sometimes, like, I had the Ladybird Lake walk, right? After that, I feel a little bit exhausted and also like a little, I don't want to say burn in the heart, but I felt the heart, you know. That's definitely not good. But I don't know. It's 5 p.m. now. I looked up at the mothership, at the comedy mothership. They have tickets for the 10 p.m. show, Comedy Mothership All Stars, or I don't know what that is, with Ari Matty. I like Ari Matty and I would like to go there, but I think that would just be pain because I'm tired already. Staying awake for this long, I can't, and it's $56, and I don't care about the $56, but I was at Cavender's and I don't know why, but I bought some cowboy boots, and the problem is I would wear them, but you need the right trousers, so I bought a pair of pants as well. Right, because normal jeans, right, normal jeans, they are too slim here, and then it looks like this, and you need the right pair of pants that have a boot cut. So I bought that as well, and this alone was like 300 USD. and now I'm like, holy shit, I spent so much money today. I have 7 days to go, and it's like half of the vacation. It's half of the vacation, and oh my god, it's half of the vacation, and I spent half of my money already, like a little bit more. So I spent a little bit more than my money now, and let's say 60%. And I'm now, okay, I want to go to Fredericksburg. I want to go to Dallas, beziehungsweise Fort Worth, the stockyards. And I want to go to, there's the rodeo event this Saturday, and I want to go there, and this costs money. I mean, I totally don't care about gas, right? In Germany, I would be thinking, wow, I would add up like 150 $8 of gas bill. But here in Texas, driving anywhere is just so cheap that I don't even consider it into my calculation. Okay, Fredericksburg. I want to go to Lockhart, to Barrows BBQ, Fort Worth. I heard a lot that Dallas is not worth a trip, but perhaps I go there as well. So that's 4 days. I don't know what else to do. I definitely won't drive to Houston. Dude, the thing is, I didn't mention it. The thing is that these boots cost $250. That's not too much for a pair of shoes, right? My Adidas Superstars cost 100 euro, like 120 USD, something like that, perhaps. And for a good pair of shoes, $200 is not too much. I think that's a good amount of money for a pair of shoes. The problem is that I have to get them to Germany, and I think I'm hitting the 23 kg, the 50-pound marks. I came here with 17.5 kilograms, and this means I can add 4.5 kilograms, and I have bought already some things, but my backpack was more or less empty, so I can put something in the backpack, and I'm allowed to have one bag, like this bag. That's the Cavender bag. And this, when I fuck it up, that's the worst angle. When I fuck it up, I have to pay for the excess weight, and that's expensive. So you add up more costs, right? And then when I'm at home, I probably don't have a reason to wear them. But I couldn't think that far. I don't know.